Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is, print string, leaving characters. The code is used to calculate the sum of ASCII values of all characters in a given string. The code starts with including two header files, stdio.h and stlib.h, which are standard input-output library and standard library respectively. The main function is declared as an integer type that returns 0 when the program executes successfully. Inside the main function, a character array S101 is defined to store the input string from user. Then scanf function takes one argument, %s string, which reads a sequence of non-whitespace characters from stin into s until it reaches whitespace or EOF, end of file. This means that scanf will read only one word at a time. Next, strlen calculates the length of string stored in variable s by counting each character until it finds \0 null terminator indicating end of string. The value returned by strlen is then assigned to integer variable n. A for loop iterates through each character in string starting from index I equals 0 till I equals n1, where n represents total number of characters in given string. Inside this loop, another variable t stores ASCII value corresponding to current character using typecasting operator, int, on s, I. Typecasting converts char data type into int data type so that we can perform arithmetic operations on them. Finally, sum equals sum plus t adds up all ASCII values calculated inside for loop and prints out final result using printf. The code reads a string from the user, calculates the sum of ASCII values of all characters in the string and prints it. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.